Are you looking to lower your seats? Well, SuperATV's got you covered with our 2-inch lowering bases, and today we're going to show you how to get them installed on this RZR Turbo S. So let's get to it. The first thing we're going to do is go ahead and reach back in behind the seat, grab a hold of the lever, pick up on your seat, and remove it from the machine. Then we'll get our seat flipped over and sat in a good location where we can work on it. Then we'll take a T27 and remove the following screws. Just have to kind of wiggle it off of this right here, off your spring. We'll take this and we'll set it aside. Now we have our seat base sitting here in front of us. We're going to get our lock bracket, which will look just like this. And we're also going to get our big Allen-headed hardware with one plastic washer on the head side. We're going to get 2 of our M8 nylocks and then 2 more of our plastic washers. We're going to take our lock bracket. We'll take our big Allen-headed bolt with the shoulder on it, slide it through one of our holes, take our plastic washer, slide on top. We'll do the same thing over here for this hole. Plastic washer on, and we'll slide them through this hole right here as well as this hole right here. We'll go ahead and get our hardware started, and we'll go ahead and tighten up our hardware here. And you don't want to tighten these up too tight, you just want to tighten them to the point of where there's no up and down movement. So as you can see there, we've still got movement for our lock bracket to work. Then we're going to take our spring and we're going to install it to our lock bracket here, as well as the base. You may need to take a little screwdriver just to pull on that, pull tension on it, get it to slide on the base here. Make sure it functions good, which ours does. Then we'll just take our lowering base, grab a hold of the adjuster here on the seat, adjust it all the way forward to where all of our holes are in the back of the adjustment. Then we'll take one of our spacers, we'll lay them down. We'll take one of our screws here, we'll install the lock washer, then a flat washer. We'll go ahead and get all our hardware started. So the way it should go, it should be your lock washer, your washer, and your spacer. Once we have everything started, we'll just go through and start fully tightening all our hardware up here. Now that all our hardware's tightened, we'll just go through and make sure everything's still working good. Make sure our seat can adjust. Just like that. So now we're going to go ahead and grab our seal. We're going to apply it on the back side of the frame. right here. We're going to start right here and run it all the way out to the outside. Start right there, all the way down to right here. And we'll go ahead and cut off the excess. Then we'll go right here, run it right here to this bolt. Cut off the excess as well. We're going to go ahead and grab our seat, reinstall it into our machine. And we'll just grab our seat. Slid into position. Get our harnesses, our seat belt pulled back out. Pull on it, make sure that it's in there good. And now if you look at the passenger side from the driver's side, you can tell a big difference there between the two. Go ahead and hop in. Get our seat adjusted to where we like it. And there you have it. That's how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's 2-inch lowering bases on this Polaris RZR Turbo S. For more information on these lowering bases or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.